engineering, asibakugeri automotive engineering, refrigeration and air conditioning, welding and fabrication, na boigo nkugeri bale plumbing, masonry, building technology, civil engineering, ya computing and informatics, nkugeri bale ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security, na wigo na network system administration. Ya electrical and electronic engineering, nkugeri bale electrical installation, na wigo electrical engineering. Ya cosmetology, nkugeri bale hairdressing, wigo mbabwate fashion design, nkugeri bale food production yani cookery, na wigo food and beverage production, wigo mbabwate course ya driving kuchasi bali bonse baraganye kwegera kugenda Kigali.
Samari atane ngoro kwa James Barare Nyakundi, principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College. College ito igere ya serikali agosomia abana courses cy'obubundi asamangane school fees ya serikali njayira netinse na kero mwana ko report ebese ikera abenga ya mokongeire nabo mwana agoja ne lyabwate enke umwana nainde ngwancherwale asabe kibasa kya serikali akirido kuruka government scholarship cy'abana bago apply ekikero umwana ule school ago apply onyora nekibasa kine kikomokonya ase akomenya esandagira akogurwa na bintu binde biraganirwa ase school abana nkonyora bare constituency bursaries uno mubungu Kitutu Masaba constituency Honorable Clive Gisairo neruwete sana kokonya abana barukorwe constituency yaye nande nko bakanira alekero umwana nkonyora ale kibesa ekyogosoma nande natotebetinga mwana onde wense goche school apply loan nkonyora ale karibu sana Kitutu Masaba elinde tuegero obubundi bachagotokonya asama tukagocha biamon
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuru yiga osi obakirisi ni gutrasi kiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068 ninjolero eyubwenyo lero bumanyi ubumurago konye asubugima bumakiaya.
Tariki na mirongo hebere na isano na isatu mutingino yo gatano mwakano w'ibirubera mirongo hebere ne tano no mumonchumu ligere no kwigena mbiyolando siasole na okwaniri na bwo kwaligani konyera mangana maya yekyunga chinsenye cyabo no butiko elietera na Cyrus Nyakundi asense milimo manyiro nigare Wilson Makoli tangani anigati ali kwaligana siasinchira yobwenge.
Gross mora ubule umwana oyo chire bwana mara gatatu pitangani gachi takangibire binta akangibire gasi akangibire obosi akayo bakesora nesani kingi akaira akabwata ko police nanda akasoki gwa gachi eli akabetara shina mbiri mutenyoka na bana bakotukegole sukuru agake etrisa ada toko kongentara abana nkaka ko unga kura abantu bamuto bakankonya akamaya
omusa yomo w'imyaka ya igatu agosambwa goikogo kwa sense mu ya igorera Umachoge barabwe county ya Kisii aso gwikirania bikorwo by'obusali.
Lero tindiga abune politician today ami as a mother and as a sponsor to this program. So lero twaita egere tokore kibanyoro go semibu n'abanyagitari baregaiga and all the stakeholders about kutumia sanitary pads.
Ababwatani gochingira mangana rengete umwana omunyaruka ase University ya Kisii county ya Kisii.
So we come to pray because we believe in God. And we believe in a superior being.
Abarai bakora wano muraiben somuske William Ruto wikirana somoyiga wogosabira ensi ya Kenya ase omuboganio yomo ime ye county ya Nairobi. Go chakikyunga chinsenya borokigwa ikome no moni gobane kigosiria magimabo maga yo muri omutindi wate ko botukobo keralero yo bwata kinyomba cyo boraro ase sukuru ya Manyaroka ya utumishi higirigiri me ye kaunti ya Nakuru kaukona na baliki bamungano mu waziri w'ekiseme Julius Migosi igene kiribuna haboroki wa 5-2 ikobagendete kurwanira amagima abo ase kinyagitari asubego mu waziri w'obulendi wa ime Kipchumba Murkomen ni gaboliro batereru kwene kigocinga kibotuki bagenderete.
12:45 a.m. a fire broke out in one of the dorms on the second floor of that particular dorm, and the dorm is completely destroyed together with a lot of injuries to our learners, and unfortunately we lost some of our learners in that incident. I'm going to give you those figures. Ladies and gentlemen, this particular school has a total girls population of 815 girls. At the time of the incident, the girls that were in school were 808. 7 of the girls were at home for various reasons. Out of the 808 girls, 79 were injured and taken to the hospital. They were treated and 71 of them were discharged. We have 7 currently admitted and 1 has been picked by the parent from the hospital. Out of that number of 808, we have 16 fatalities whose identities will be identified. The process of accounting will be taking place with our investigators. It's an unfortunate incident. Most of the students who come to this school are children of our officers who serve in the National Police Service. And so as a ministry and as a family, we stand with everybody. Even as we release the parents whose children are still in school, which is the larger number, and who actually may not have been injured directly, we know that they will need a lot of support, psychosocial support, and the hotline number has been given, which is 1199, for basically for people to call for help. And we are working together with the Red Cross, as you know. They are part of the National Disaster Response Team, so that even when parents, even their children have already gone home, we will make sure that even at home, they will receive counseling services and psychosocial support wherever they may be.
Musayo mubi myaka yayigatwani gaitogo ikogo kwa sogo sambo na banyakinyoro ababato bururo bunge hasensemo yagetumo higorere bunge yabo machoge barabwe county ya Kisii kurengana nabamenya bayiga nigo bakwarabuna musayo ni gabere kawikane bikorwa abyo basali ase batabuna babere bakubeka kiroboti asegetu kyabanyanyimbo asabano bitambukoro binde byonsi bitanya kwimukirwa muri gitogiri bat copy aroboti rwasinjira yobwikira
Nime ase ekenyoro kya inani Bombaba East location asensemo ya machoge bwa burabu asamenyi bensemi yiga babokera egekorwa kyugo kumya ase umungino yombo atoka kangentire tukulia rero nigo tebekana ngo musawo yomo iyo nyara ko bakagosambwa no bururugwa abanyakenyoro nigo nyara ko bagotachira umungino yinse ekorukirira abanyakenyoro abugunyara ko bakomusamba
ijadi umundi mausa sitonge tumboga abangina babere n'ubwo bakwana kugiranya majeruje esengenjo bakubuturuji imbere bono twanyoro yo mobo ne twasambire gaiga sekenyo kyayigorera angoro kumobati soro egente como mro yabereka akora tali bono litunde ntanga ni nyono bwa tuitwa
ogoitwa kwa abantu namono abantu abanene asoro ngoro iga nabo igo gutakirunse kwa abantu bwa itaneti emyaka baya ko gwekanibwa gotiase ebikorwa bya obotindu nabo igo opagiruko oboke baga sensemo yorogongoriga
ngo gross mora ubule umwana oyo ukire bwana mara gatatu bitangani ga chitakangibire bintakangibire gasi akangibire obosi akayo bakesora nesani kingi akaira akabwatwa ko polisi na ndaka soki gwa gacho eria kametara 22 mutinyoka na bana bako tukogora sukuru agake etirisa ata toko tokongentara abana nkaika ko unga kura abantu bamuto bagankonya akamaya ko tsarikisano igara no moyo agake etirisa nkireta ko lero muntu akosoka ko cha nyumba baka ninga kiro moyo ga kinga karo kura abantu bamuto bakakale ko minyoka ko te ngota bunganga nanchi kolika abantu bamuto ga kinkonya
abara ikurwa sorogongoro iga nigo banyarako bagogikeria igakorwa ekeiga asengenje tari ntunde ntangani ata ko bagigotoka na soke nyoreke iga
Maria tankoro kuchakiri ni manyenye mugaka abantu bamintoto kumeti omwana oyo moiteta rero ryo kachaka okorire bituko kogenda na bakobwatwa oirumagena oirana
no burayi bwa provincial administration bwanyarako bukora gwekiara asengenje getambukiro nkeyo banyarako bakuimukia guikera igakorwa nyako ikuimukirwa amagoko y'abanyakinyoro asiritukuria rero
abagambi bamintemeno mubago tokorera emeronge bona bakire korigereri nereri
kwana sense meyo oburayi obumbanya ko bokweresera ikikiaga nyako bagekogendera sorogongoro iga
nchino mu chief William urese location ya Bumbaba East tuimukira siritukuria rero mambia umushanga umunene asinginchwa yugo kwa umuna Damaris Kemonto yu ambaye kwambatana no oborori igekorekana nga omwana oyo mumurumu abo yo omwana wa bono ye kwamba korekana iyo matana nogo saidi guguru korekana tapo uchunguzi hajafanywa kabisa thibitisha ni nini, lakini kama huyu kijana alionekana asa hiyo na arekana asa hiyo naendekere amwana incho yorange mono namo chunga naga ikurikianse igekorekana nga mubwate mioyo na komokorere foru getali kia uyuki kire gusira
karo okurigereria asensemo ya mugonga ni gokoranga obo kibago be banyako gukomenta kana sengencho abantu abayiga nigo bakubwase ikinsemo ao no yiga nakagire ko boyo mu bwabaria banyako bakuyiriro ugo kibago gukina asensemo ya mugonga nararinge kuru asensemo ya ekenyoro kia inani ensemo ya Bumbaba East kurwa macho gwa bora bungo liboteregete mama litane Gilbert Kobi
itko riarera babwatani abakoligereria bokarari umwana omunyaruka bachengera litukeliga ime ya University ya Kisia sokwena na magerio yokwerenda abagokini birengo byobochano anena samo tukali bosiwe asekero mutinyi ukwanekerekyo yokulike kirogo kyobo women rep ase county ya Kisi sketa kwambuka igakwanira nene hobo lemerwo bora sechinka kuikurira abanyaruka otigira chisukuru nchera na konyora malita mapema muri kizodiboni asanya na roboti rwa sinchira yobwikirano
Haso koraga litukulio gochengera Meneslio Hygiene imeyense ya Kenya ekaunti ya Kisi litukulio lero nigo aboroki w'abanyaruka kurochi skuru au baumerana ase University ya Kisi unichireyemo yokonyora amaigilio noboigo okwerenda muyega obagukurawa ne kiombe kia Kenya Girl Guide Association amuna babwatani ao
Jina naitwa Catherine Komuto Amaya. Mimi ni Guide Commissioner wa Nyanza Region na Kisi County. Leo tuna furaha sana sababu tuko hapa Kisi University. Tuko na wasichana wengi kutoka Kisi nzima from different schools ambao wamekuja kusherekea menstrual hygiene, siku ya wasichana ya kuona damu. Na reason as to why we have started this in a very big way, it's because in Kisi County we have menstrual poverty in most of the regions back in the villages.
And we're going to wear blankets, bed sheets, so tuacha tuigeria abana obusafi ekerebago kerabare on their special days.
Ensemo jindi ekirenga kiabo nugukinia ekirengo kyobochenu uchesa abana abanyaruka engana yabetege komukuna oyo kuriye kerogo kyobo women rep ime county ya Kisi skita kwamboka
skita kwamboka lero tindiga abune politician today ami as a mother and as a sponsor to this program. So rere twacha egere tokore kibanyoro gosemibu n'abanyagitari baregaiga and all the stakeholders about kutumia sanitary pads.
Omurubire igani gobeire segetenene guchisumwa n'umunyaruka anene ase abange babo bagendete gwitera amakon ao nemechando kubatekana no botaka bogendete konekigwa imase binyoro.
This is a program na chakire ndagitoko kora every month if possible, every school into tori wakora igasiria for konyore benefit. It's not a profit making process.
Na tungependa wasichana pale nje waweze kujitoa na waweze kuingia katika Kenya Girl Guide ili waweze kufunzwa zaidi juu ya maneno kama haya, because in Kenya Girl Guide tuna embrace msichana na tunamfunza jinsi mtoto anavyoendelea kukua, the change in society. That is the Kenya Girl Guide Association.
Eka nogo komisana buna abana abaiseke abange ba komisi school asengenje bataba sanitary pads sekede baron their special days. Ekenege tokia beire documented amatuka mange, but there is no action that is being done. One of the ne nenkuriye kero kya bangena igonta kete kugenda bakase obisi yo CS imokwanere torore ntota chaka Kenya yostra chakirankaga school chospi abana baiseke ba sanitary pads free.
Omolya jeskitani garuo kubolia gocha ase wizara ye jisemi inse yomoske migosio gamba gotinya obolindi ase chiskuru iligo Kenya ebikora byaborokiwa gusiria magima ayankorengana no muriro obete kugwatekali tukulie gorobu ase skuru ya baiseke ya utumishi.
Safety of school should be a guarantee. Ekiagere school abana dormitory Mintota keri gutwara these cases kera chabere chikoba nande then. Egen toko saba Ministry of Education make sure get school nebwa compliant na mangana yoko abantu ko fight mo lo chibane to fire extinguishers kere sejido. So that kaya ntumune ke ya chakire abana buna Girl Guide scouts ngonyora bare mba kwegerigu how to cap those kind of situations.
Kuroiga ase University ya Kisii ili nenkoro kwa Dipon Asanya.
Semo yaba imisi y'abasubati kurohase county ya Kisii ni mu basolero baruo bakonyi b'ebitamba byobochano hasaba n'abanyaruka ase kibunge kinga kinsengi mayalengi gochengera litukule bochano bwa matuko asaba na abanyaruka nabiga basubati kurangana n'umusikirira ngori Dorvin bwali hokugana inkoraro gwo kubwatirana nababwatani eliyogo siria oboso kuchingaki kya matuka yo muri kidaniro ntiri norobotirwa sinjira yo gwikirana.
Kero mwaka umutinyo gatano lituko lyemerongebere netano netato insengima nigego chengira lituko lyobocheno hasa abana abanyaruka n'abasubati chingaki kya matukabo na kurwase county ya Kisii MCO Machore umuske Dolphin Bwari n'umuske Lilian Gor nigo basanga n'aboroki w'abanyaruka achiskuru baba basemia igoro yobugima igoro ya masomo n'abarerende haso bugima namagaye baba bwatokera ibitamba byo cheno
tuabere togotarira chiskuru esengencho yoko kwanira abana baitu abanyaruka tokubakwanira on challenges bagotwara bana abanyaruka igento gekoro ku period poverty abana mbari batanyare konyora nonya na sanitary pad na butu bacha gotarira lero erinde tukwane na barabuto batebigoro ya masomo tobatebi education ere important sana sa mwana omunyaruka na ndo mwana omunyaruka nagwente ko ba empowered na baraba to promise ningo kwa very hard banyore amatemu grade chingia, and because of that ntogendere gutara chiskuru chinyinge to gukwandira mwana ito munyaruka anyare ko bawo goikinia kimasomo na goikinia in terms of empowerment gotora chinguru na ito konyora abanyaruka bagotoka sichi office chetu chinene na gotoka at least naso china fasi chetu choburai
korengana nagoro kogania nkororo gukubwaterana na bubwatani iriyo gosirio bosoko chinga kicho konya boigo aborokigwa konyora chinga kichinyororo cyo gukora masomo abo.
Tumekuja tukajadiliana na tukasema ya kuwa msichana anapoenda katika siku zake za hedhi anafaa kupatiwa support ambayo inafaa. Wale watakuwa na uchungu wataweza kuona the nurse ama yule ambayo ako responsible, na wazazi haswa ni kazi yao kuhakikisha hizi sanitary towels na other items za kutumia kwa menstruation zinapatikana.
Asense mwende aborokia baboroki wabaigani go bakwanira gosemeri kwabo na aboroki wabaiga machiko koribu ya kimasomo kubakonya goikirene chindoto chabo asubugima.
This one will assist them elinde banya ko bere krasime bakonya ko baba kuburu kwenda ko bera matuka mange inka misia masomo ekero kurigereria matuko bakomisia skuru nyandi bako beroro na performance ekonyora ya wira na maege kero bere skuru matukonsi linde banya konyora bakonyora chisemi na performance bakimprove
tiga banyari bagokoromoki buna ba promise mheshimiwa Lilian na mheshimiwa Dolphin na ndetonyare konyora great goodies na the next year we give them a reason as to why they should come here.
Rero aba MC abaiga niko basanga na borokiwa ase skuru ya secondary ya St Catherine Iranda imeyanyetie ko ase bunge ya Kitutu cha South. Borokiwa ase skuru ya secondary ya Igorera imeye bunge ya Bomachoge Burabu. Skuru ya secondary ya Bogeche DOK iyo kutoka ase bunge ya Nyiribari Masaba. Skuru yoboroso ya Kemuga ime ya ward ya Ichuni gatie chinde chinyinge. Nkuruba teriga taseni kia getembe korega ase kaunti ya Kisii leterane nguru kwa Daniel Untiri.
Wabatani wa bunge la mwananchi korwame Tamayiwa junction imeye ward ya Rigoma nigobaganiro burayibe kaunti ya Nyamira kwene kya magendro chinse mecho bakokona nigobaichane nchira chinsemo chibolere chitaya ekyo cyabutuke ntokeirero musunto monge oyomentiro bosalia igobono baganire eboige cyapa arakorosi goboikerano ile abananchi banyoro bweteko na kugania serikali nene kogora ligoli liobogima imeye nsumulikizo Paul Kapokara norobotura sinchira yoboikerano
babwatani abaiga babunga la mwananchi koroiga sinseme chiga chame Tamayiwa junction nigo bagenda ko babagwe sokya na kugenda ko babeka abarayi ase ekebiro yentukorenga na marabo baganiri amagenderero
nyagitanere abege tue nyabugo igorari yabore bono ro ne chombe chikoraro ne bibengi bono tosine omwe msio itogaki inu bana mwana kogendo ani mario gotayo eritigwe eritisenta neta kerime Tamayiwa mwe msio ito inji tobekere eritisenta Tamayiwa no mugabana ekera tu abata chikura motokonya tari tu abata chikura motige nyagitari chiko guchi machine bono bondari karakana tutagete ne nyagitari
bago kwanera igorio mwe msio korwase ewadi ya Rigoma nigo bagenda ko bakomoganya kwene kibuna nkoro isale chi street light ejo kiranyara ko bachikore tubura bucinga gicabutuko nabo igo ukoroboke bago na kurwali bagaligira gucha sabonchilia kuba sinseme chiga cha Tamayiwa
insecurity ge gocha senge chobora gote especially amatuka cinga gicabutuko kuna bona inga tubuga tento togete chitaya mwato tabeti municipality ya Kerokanga ngobeka muri chitaya se town yetu ya Tamayiwa the upcoming satellite town Tamayiwa tutagete etaya nene the flood mast ile komuleke nene kabisa abangina bali bakora chingini ali se chiro bali gere libuya barora abakora bajaja bali bara ali bast amatama toko sabayi go murai nyambege setnayo bano tubugate chitaya chicho mutobekera nombobeke se chibak through the chions none pare ya Tamayiwa
inyarekane ngamatuka makeni gatika litabo shibogo chingera litoko lilia hadi ya Madaraka Day nigo egatia abananchi abagaba yasokire na kubolia omugavana Awaigo muno munsi kubwatana ilikoroisha chibara sinseme chiga pinchire ya moyo koroisha obwete kobuya
chibara titobwati for example kaki pare korwa Nyasole primary Nyasole academy ekanisa Nyasole CTA yasoke pare ra muri amageto igesa regete pi ebure nga awagavana gochoreria bore o celebrate asengenjo ya kwende ya madara ya tarikia yemo etware kogosaga ki gavana onye gototegerete kogocha obe oira no be kaba musie bao amo koranje okonya abantu banyasore okonya abantu bamasera obarore chikwende chiri chikoro masera paka machenwa nyabogoye chipare echu chisaregete pi etware kogosaba
waigo asinsemo chinde ngo bagendere ko baba kubulia amagendere kwene kigwa na kuburi muraibu ense kwene kibuna nkurigereria ari uchumi yense ya Kenya na nene ligoli lya mabuta
asengenjo ya mabuta obugima bwachire igoro kaki bantu mbari kurara enjara nigere chinyombo motoriro igore 160 namangana na wonte tukukwana ngano nya ne president igore manyenga ase ground na bora nyoro gotebungo motoriro ore siringi 60 lakini motoriro ko 160 abana mbare skuru abantu ngogora turi chianga chinyomba ngorara turi chirenti ngwa kana turi kake president amangana yago ikere teni chiri kwa rusetie oruno mochakano na otogoteba na kero kene mbuya mono lakini teni njira sana torusire siringi ya meronge nene amabuta ronyabeka 170
yinko ripoti ligetaseni cyo wanjete kya Getembe kuruiga imeheye county Nyamira inchi konkoro kwa Polycarp okara
Kema gia Jubilee nigo kegora chiabisi chikiame kyo imeye bunge ya Kitutu Masaba murube yu hikaranwa na mabwatani baime bekiame kyo korua ase county Nyamira amo nabarwanirire bebiroko nigo ba kwerake kose habanyara gokurwe segeto go chia segesa kyo mugusi komwako bako Muske Fred Matiang'i bosio bochori obonene asaba na inchi baganiriwe kwerikia ko babwatani nomuyega korekana ase chinsemo chia tumbe Olikito Paul Kapokara noroboturu asinchira yobwekera
nomuyega honyara ko kubabwatania rwaniriri bebirogo kurwa ase county ya Nyamira nanene imeye bunge yabo Kitutu Masaba abo batonere ebirogo nawigo baratkunyarika bakubuda insi y'ekyama gya Jubilee Mwigonyara kabako korawa amono musibati Janet Kumenda uyuru mubwatani munene w'ekyama ya Jubilee kurega se county ga Nyamira gakubodia abantu kwenekya bona ngotume kabari cyabise kigaso kwirikya ase kyama kega gya Jubilee
Narongo na chatone keki ngaiga elinde lya abantu baito bale kobo kimabwabo bachake kurugo kumwa bakoragera
twira nimbia mono sana asa abantu bamasaba babo njira bakorire gas twa witness ria kegeni kiyamono baigoro obisi yabo nenere kworokinga bona Jubilee yabwatire seito gusi na mono ase Nyamira
Waigosi asa chokoma amagoro Muske Fred Matiang'i niko chabetanse engaki abantu banyereko bakoboli mugusi kumwa okoboko Muske Fred Matiang'i iligonchilia oburayi bw'ensibiga ya Kenya
Intwa bagusi intwe barangena Matiang'i na itubona tiratu chake tobo mugusi intwe barangeto bedigo elimo togo suka wochiga ali muino togo suka bunege ntekemo naende karuto waka chikure cheito ina to wakere nyombe yeme to igoirega naende nyombe ne mo chiko igora
abantu baminto twatare no Muske Fred Okengo Matiang'i twanyorere nga Kenya ngima ya moitabire ona bagusimura acha bukumugana wali bonds banya to chandire bagotebenge bagotarire gotia Fred Okengo Matiang'i ngaibara marega iga. This is a very important function. Yata getenga bara ibonsi onye kokori Kitutu Masaba ogo support Fred Okengo Matiang'i oba nari boy bale baganyere tere Muske Fred Okengo Matiang'i ale gusi babera mayayai toko batebinga ni one term
nikati ya bara ngobenyoreri bageri kana kogendera guyakera chikoko unenjire yemo yogochorwa sebirogo imeye chinsemo chiria barabule korwa
Elithina nengoro kwa Josh Mirera kurwa Gesima Ward njene aspiring MCA 2027 Gesima Ward igonda getogoteba nga abantu bali mwaru Gesima mwesi pi byamona sengencho mwacha 100% andogo nsira sengencho yogo chako igorobisi yiga Kenya saba senie naendo noro muchakano na tebire nga byamona naende kolengana no kwegena waito nendo to yaito yogo chiko kombo Gesima Ward gochero ikirana
Samarieta igonkoro kujeramia osiemo mukaya Goboriande owansie korwa asewodi yeri goma 2027 tutagete oborabu tusire Matiang'i
oyo no Muske Benson Sironga oyo arabeto wemusie 2013 mpaka 2022 aba baminto bacha inje bakoba 2027 Benson Sironga Otutu kwenda kurorera onye national ni ntwale pingi mmoja kwegera otebenga ki koruoro baganse one time
yinko report ligetasini kya ubanjite kya Getembe kuiga asinseme chiga cha Tumbe iyo gotoka meje bunge ya Kitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira nchigongoro kwa Polycarp okara
Sarbaturu manchumu ligele atanyo romo timokomo keto kuirana ntoganda ne kyonga sinchira yobwikira
Ine kwa kwabirgo kuria a roadshow track iyo bwate yugiriya iyo iratigo mu musogo cyase abategereri ultimate roadshow track experience niyemo y'ubungenjo bunde kwabirgo kuria a track yiga ya roadshow iyo rakolere a product launch use emisangerekano ya gisiasa brand activation use emisangerekano ya cooperative egatiye chi roadshow chinde chinyinge bono nigo twakoletere a track yibwate libagariya eyekerero nabwigo ebwate ebintu byonsi bya sound system eyugiriya nigo liri ya kigima eliri chunjugire ligo kwana nechinguru nabwigo likira bantabange nigo babwate chi DJ Janjere chi MC nabwigo a track yana boko jitumika asobo korera live performance nigo tokurwa obokoreri wito chinsemo na bono Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Eldoret amoniji county chonsi imejensi ya Kenya street ya goteka babuna street endeyonsi chingaki ubunjeli bwago nebyasara byakinirwe aka esimu terasi namba 0704765412 nyora chitrake chika eldio oikera bantabange Liga Busungu Medical Center igoba bato bokoreri ahobuna bono mbawate pharmacy iyubata maliogo onsi mbawate lab department asibakulingolia amarwire au mbawate bokoreri bwa ICU ule bwa theater guse radiology mbawate bokoreri bwa oncology ukorabare dialysis mbawate emergency wing na wigo amaliga nyabuna yeguru asibu yuko babwate maternity wing igatiyo bukorera ibondo bunge niko bagotoka sebara ya Kisumu Migori imeyumuchiriga umusungo asamange bakeresi bigotera se kinamba cyabo 0111964576 ose 0742328552.
Karibu nende umonjomo ligereria mora ibenso muske William Ruto igayegereire mirobiri yaye sensi ya Kenya sateruna igagendere kwene kyobokoreri hamono gukinia kwebirango bya uchumi no nyenabo barai ogwekirana samasaba yo nigo baboliro morembe kwene kiyokere serikali igendete kuligereria asoboime amaganio y'aba Kenya igaya kwana igachinga kyaraba Kenya asomuruberi bwo gusabira ensi ya Kenya asomubugani o Safari Park ime yo mocho Nairobi muri kito Ruth Kemunto aroboti rwa senjira yo wikira
nase omuyega bwogosaberense ya Kenya oyo manyekanite buna National Prayer Breakfast oyo bakogokolekana lichukulia lero ime yo mocho Nairobi asabarai baba bagwikirana asomobogani o Safari Park oyole asomucho yoyo o Nairobi ukona kurwa ase omubogani uyu omuraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto nigabeire kagotababuna aba Kenya bonsi nigo bakumusaba Nyasaye ase ngencho yobwegeno bwabo.
So we come to pray because we believe in God. And we believe in a superior being.
Ukona boigo muraibwense nigo abeire kagotababuna nigo eserikali ense ya Kenya egendrete koligia lichibu elio lirachigo konya ense ya Kenya amona aba Kenya bonsi anene kubwatikana no gukina kweligoria mafuta eligendrete koleta liberera litindi aiga asense ya Kenya.
And even the crisis on fuel, we not only have a short-term plan, but we have a long-term one as well. We have found the mechanism how to get our fuel in Turkana and those in the rest of the region to be refined here in our region.
Donye nabo nigamenta na goteba buna asobochorio bonne bole bosyo bo mwaka bwechiri bubere na 2025 nigo borachiko bo mulembe na Bakenya nigo barachiko na cha ekina igoro ya barai au barachiko chora asabere kagoteba buna ese konyarekana aiwe etamu ya kabere koba omuraibwense ya Kenya nigarachiko gendera gukora emeremo.
And they will be peaceful. And there will be no violence. And they will be free and fair. Yes. They will be free and fair. Kama Mungu ameamua Ruto will get a second term, he will. Kama Mungu ameamua vingine, that's what will happen. And we will move on as a country.
Asensemo yaye umukonyi b'umuraibwense ya Kenya Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki nigaberega kubulia Bakenya bonsi gukora kirikire okuganikwa Nyasaye wetera ase okwigena kwabo.
Expressing our faith in the various facets, let us do what God wants us to do. Whatever He tells us to do, let us do it.
Omonogeri bwe bunge nene omusike Moses Masika wetangula nigabereka goteba buna oborwanderi bwe birogo tibo chikoba obwo bisa asekeri buna ense ya Kenya nigo eganirigwo kiniwe gochase birengo binde na igoteri ya obwo bisa kwenekirwa anene ekero siasa chigendete gukorekana aiga ense ya Kenya.
That our political competition should never be enmity. It should just be but competition. Because when we finish competing, we have a country to look after.
Yemo aseyemo kurwa somo wogani o Safari Park imeo mocho Nairobi inkolipotelia egetaseni kia Getembe TV nchani gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto.
Ase ugoigo gose omoliki asamangana rengete chichera Sarume Mwiya nigo hatebru na serikali yegendete kubekumukia bukurigiria mangana rengete chichera igemeyense ukwana chinkiki chyo Dr. Sarume niga teruna serikali ne chikwene kibuna nkurwero boseme gucha saba nanche wasobuya bukwerenda kurwa sobusali.
We are hoping to conclude it very soon. We are past 60% of the registration of the inmates, and we want to make sure that that concept of universal healthcare is actually a reality. We've already migrated all our officers into SHA and effective from April, and we're already seeing the fruits and the stability that is causing to them and their families. In addition to that, we have a lot of projects revolving around vocational training. We are revamping libraries in our correctional facilities. We've been increasing the number of books, recruiting more teachers, stepping up the vocational training in various aspects. And I'm very happy to see that county governments have really stepped up and come to support us. Recently, we gave out chairs to Bomet, I think Bomet County, and we want to keep at it so that a lot of our inmates are properly trained. In the greening sector, we have done a lot, both at probation and Kenya Prison Service, in terms of generating seedlings, growing the seedlings, and planting and growing of the seedlings, so that we meet our target in the whole bigger scheme of 15 billion trees by 2032. As you can see around, there are a lot of trees in these Kilgoris, and this is in part because of the work probation and aftercare have done, as well as Kenya Prison Service.
Ikiunga chigosoli chikoleji chonsi chogosomio bwalimu asense ya Kenya nigo chiaroberetie kiminano awa segeti ke University ya Kisii igyo yalengi kwaliganiwa ne college ya Sumbi kurwa Sorongo rwa Nyanza ekyo chaikomwelyo lituko lya gatatu lero abagosoli kurwa chikoleji mensembanyo erora ububwe asababwi niko barachi kumirana nabo bibande korwasi chinse chorogongorwa East Africa asinse ya Tanzania mulikito Wycliffe Tyson Manyara aroboti rwasinjira yowekira
chikole chichonsi chigosomia obwalimu ase Kenya ekyo chibwate ekiombe kyabo Kenya Teachers College Sports Association yani KTCSA ekyo chigosoli kyabo chiachagite mwisonde ase getigia Kisii University ekyo kiarenge kwariganirwana college ya Sumbi TTC korwa orosagia rwa Nyanza nchiaika omwerio rero ase ritukuria gatatu.
My name is Dorin Chebet Masai from Chester Teachers Training College. I thank God because I have won the race 400 meters hurdles. This is my second time being the gold medalist champion.
Kwa majina ni Collins Wanguzi. Mi chuo changu ni Kericho Teachers College na nakimbilia Rift Valley region. Last year nilikuwa number 2, alafu this year nimekuwa number 1.
Abo kosoria ao korwa chi college ime ya Kenya mbanya kuinyorera obobwi.
Firstly, I want to thank the Almighty God for enabling me become the second champion. I was the defending champion shot put, so I'd gone for my medal, and I'm so happy that I was able to defend it.
Machakos TTC fili vizuri, mara yangu ya kwanza kuparticipate kwa college races na imekuwa sawa.
Mbio ijakuwa mbaya, imenipeleka vizuri sana, na ndio ufaulu kwa mbio ni lazima ufanye mazoezi ya kutosha, na pia ujiambie kwa unaweza. Ukishajiambia unaweza, uwezi shindwa.
Ababuyi abo niko barachi kumerana na ababuyi bande korwa chinse chia East Africa asense ya Tanzania.
Amacha Alexina from Meregi TTC. We are here for the Teacher Training Colleges Championship, the Nationals in Kisii Stadium, and we have played a tug of war game. This is the first ever tug of war game to be introduced in the colleges, and we are the winners, we are the champions. We have won against Nyanza region, and we are so excited, we are so happy thanks to our coach.
Kuripoti Gatembe, Wycliffe Tyson Manyara.
Abarai bekiumbe kia Kenya Teachers College Sports Association naboigo abarigani korwa sorongo rwa Nyanza ne college ya Sumbi igo yarenge yangarigani hasegeti ke Kisii University igo bonsi batabona kigosori cyo mbuya chera naboige bataba kigosori cyo mwakoyo igo cyabachingi ya mono asbono baba komentoro sagiyoromo korwa North Eastern naboigo bamente kigosori yo kumusana nengori heye manyekanite guna tag of war na ase chinsagi chonsi korwa ase ense ya Kenya mulikitu Wycliffe Tyson Manyara na roboti rwa senjira yobwikirano
ase chikosoli chichi college cy'obwalimu kwenye nigo chire korwa chinse moisano na ibere kulenda so mwako yoiga mba menta orosagia rwa North Eastern na barabomba bano mogoko aso komentwa na kokosolia omwaka oyo.
Let me note that we are assembled here as 8 region. We have a very new region, Northeastern region, which has a secretary by the name Abdi, and the chairman is the principal Garissa TTC. We are happy to have them. We used to be only 7 region, but now we are full house. We are 8 region.
Ahmed Omar, by the name Ahmed Omar Olo from Tarbaj Teachers Training College, Wajir County in Northeastern region. For now here we are very happy participating in athletics, national athletics competition, and we have really gained a lot of knowledge and skills to be part in this athletics competition, and we are wishing more, and we are willing to be gaining more skills and knowledges and participating.
Abdi naero mulikyo munene kura North Eastern region nigo nerego kigwa na boigo naerera isabari buna yabe tentambe kura North Eastern gochaga iga Kisii.
My name is Abdakin Muhammad Abdi, the Secretary General, North Eastern Region. We are very happy that we have participated pole games last time as a region. We are also very happy that we brought a team of athletics composed of male and female, where we had 27 female participants participating in different categories in field and track. The college that we have in the region, the public ones are 4. We have Mandera Teachers Training College, In Wajir County, we have 2 public colleges, that is Tarbash Teachers Training College and Elas Teachers Training College. In Garissa, we have Garissa Teachers Training College. We had a stopover at Garissa. We again started our journey. We had again a stopover at Narok TTC, and the third day we came all the way from Narok to Asumbi TTC.
Ababui begosori yukungusana na enkori yani tag of war iyo yanjeretwe omwaka oyo iga mbaba no mogoko omonene.
Hii ni timu ya tag of war. Tunatoka Rift Valley, tuna represent Mosoriot, tunacheza Teachers Training College. So tumekuwa finals, imekuwa Nyanza region, wanapatana na sisi Rift Valley na tumejikaza. Game inaenda set 3 na set ya kwanza haikutuendea vizuri, lakini set ya pili na ya 3 tumepata ushindi.
Timu Tuti nere omworoki omonene bwe college ya Borabu boigo omunyakeroko omonene bwo Rosagia rwa Nyanza nigo ateba obwarigania mbuya bwabete.
And I think to the best of my knowledge we have done fairly well. No hiccups. We feared for the rains, but the weather has been favorable and we are doing the last day.
President yekiombe kyo kia KTCSA Duncan Makunga nigo ateba ekiminano kyo mwaka oyo iga nigo kiabeire kiyamono kubwa emyaka ya magega nabo igo oteba buna ababui nigo barache kumirana na ababui korwa chinse cha East Africa asense ya Tanzania Morogoro.
And I want to use this opportunity to say our championship has reached the highest level of competition. We are focused towards ensuring that we conclude this event in time, and that after this conclusion of this event, we are looking forward to having the East African Championships in Morogoro, Tanzania. And I want to believe we have chosen on at least 5 games to participate in the East African inaugural games for the colleges in East Africa.
Orosagia rwa Rift Valley na rwa Tangana asio konyora bagosoria abanke. Western Region namba 2, Nairobi Region namba 3, Eastern Region namba 4, Nyanza Region namba 5, Central Region namba 5 nemo, Coast Region namba 5 na 2 na North Eastern Region nero yasieka namba 5 na 3. Wycliffe Tyson ekionga chigosori.
Na gwikira kama mwanchomo likirira nongo ikira omwelio wa mungana mayeye kionga chinse nye chabo no butiko litirani Cyrus Nyakundi hasense moyo menyeryo igalenge welesone makoli oyo lengi magaye chikamera igalenge Wilfred Matundura oyo ne kichibicha na mulio gochira senchiro yo gwikirano igalenge DJ Artsani na gosabiro to harubo likirira na bwigo butuko borobuya.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo etembe, ninjo dorome, manana mazu, bangina ninjo.
Amate noro inda. Ayo ndigereti ayo mukungu oli mumino oli no bagakali bandigeti no hani no abayengoli. Bantu oli mundigeti no hani borase gete. Abwezi muikaranze muligeretiga. No matenge amate noro inda, no matoro inda. Oro inda negintu gete kompa kengabuna getaruta utaimuki. Ige kare bono amatera mu baigwana ine. Iye muraba kongo kabisa mwe kongereti pi. Abazungu batete na obo mo unity strength. Kare muri amo kabisa mu kwatere ntigentamo. Bono mu kunsira amo kabisa gento ngirikira abasinye. Amate noro inda tiawo chaya nabwo. Namuno bali bantu bolense ma bulero. Mwanzi no koruka abantu ngo numugori oyo sengo mogori yo. Sina kwa monereti. Amate noro inda tatu itika aba unero gochora bakonya. Amate noro inda kabamo twaru bwa matubu yana abantu mumenya tamabu. Tiyono koruka abantu amalieta ndata iyo. Nalera abantu abalero mwaro ko singa nabaguriga. Isaba leno mukoruka lene nabwo abalero no mwaro kanga investors. Nabakale to amagendera buse no goita goita atunda no ndigereti. Amate noro inda kabutwaro wa matubu yana abantu. Kama chesa hiyo.
Baraka ninjo, ninjo etembe, ninjo dorome, mangana mas, bangina ninjo.